Hey guys, welcome back to Tech War, and today we're gonna be doing imaginary. So basically, today we're gonna be doing Mi Notebook Ultra, and also that is a very good laptop because I'll tell you guys why we go telling that it's having a very good laptop because it's having an ultra performance flagship display and many more. But before you consider watching this video, you guys should subscribe, like, comment, share, and turn on notification so you guys don't have to see the video. And now let's head to the video. So as we head to the video, it's having a 3.2K Mi True Life Plus display with a 39.62 centimeter 15.6 and an all metal design from Series 6 aluminum and a 90 refresh rate, smooth refresh rate, and a 12-hour battery with a 65 watts Type C charger, and a thin and light 17.9 mm and a 1.7 kg. It's also having a latest 11th Gen Intel Core, TM and i5 i7 H35 and lightning fast Thunderbolt 4 and USB Type C and future proof, and having a 8 by 16 GB, which is a 3200 mHz RAM, and a 512 GB NVMe SSD, and a Wi-Fi 6 fast internet and fingerprint reader. These are just the key specs, or let's say the key specifications of Mi Notebook Ultra, and you guys will be knowing in detail about these specifications as we go further. So now let's head to the first one, which is Mi True Life Plus display. Let's head to
So as we go for the Mi 2 Life Plus display, this laptop is bringing a breakthrough display technology to create the perfect viewing experience across text, images, and videos. It is having 3.2K resolution, which is 3 times the Full HD resolutions, and it brings to life every color with the 3 times as many pixels as a Full HD screen, 6.4 million pixels to be precise, and be it text, images, or videos, the sharpness and reality is always on point with the 242 pixels per inch. So the main points in this part is that it is having the 3200 by 2000 pixels of super high resolution, 242 ppi of pixel density. And as we go for the 16:10 golden aspect ratio, this laptop, it's very good in scrolling, story writing, coding, image, and video editing. It is a breeze with the 16:10 golden aspect ratio on the 39.62 centimeter, which is 15.6 inch Mi True Life Plus display. And the main thing in this is that 89.1% of screen to body ratio and 16:10 aspect ratio. It is having millions of pixels, billions of colors. Every color has a piece on this piece of technology with 100% of sRGB, wide color gamut. Mi Notebook Ultra redefines your viewing experience, and the main point in that is having the 100% of sRGB color gamut and 1500:1 contrast ratio. And as we go for the 90 Hz of Mi True Life Plus display, 50% more refreshing, but a smooth user experience, which is 50% more fluid than the 60 Hz of display, which switch between the 60 Hz and 90 Hz. Using the F and key plus the S key, and eye safe and flicker free. The hardware level TUV rainline low blue light protection filters blue light without affecting the color accuracy of the display. DC dimming ensures the minimum flicker, resulting in the reduced eye fatigue. And now let's go for the feel epic, intricate craftsmanship, which is that this laptop is only Flux, not a notebook. So let's begin with that. Let's head to that.
So when you head to that, which is basically free, like let's say free Epic or integrate craftsmanship, you only not only flex your not only flex not the notebook. So MI notebook is crafted with a Microsoft like a level of detail, which is made of six series of aerospace grade aluminum alloy, which is 1.4 stronger than the series 5 series aluminum alloy. And so this is having a unibody decision, which is precisely carved, or let's say craved by CNC machine and delicately polished into a sleek body by 17 intricate processes. Now let's head to the basic thing which I told you guys in the beginning, which is about the thin and the kilograms. So basically, if you guys heard in the beginning, you guys have heard that this is having a thinness of 17.9 mm and a light of let's say 1.7 kg, and also this is having a seamless build which is at 0.3 mm between the top and the bottom, and robust hinge which is tested up to 30,000 operations. Now we're gonna go know about its 170 sandblasted texture. So ceramic and SiO2 particles of diameter of human hair 80 microns actually, and are used to blast the surface and make a fine texture with feels smooth and premium. Now let's head to the fingerprint reader, which is a 2-in-1 and power button basically. Yeah, let's go.
2-in-1 fingerprint reader plus the power button. Effortless power on quick login. Easily the fastest way to log in securely with your unique fingerprint password, single touch unlock and wake, made seamless with an intuitive and comfortable 17-degree CNC cut groove. And it is having full size keyboard and larger trackpad, which is the main thing in that. And 3-level backlight, off, bright and brighter. 5 million times each key is rated to last 5 million strikes, and 1.5 millimeters of deep key travel, and 62% of larger than the Mi Notebook 14 2020. Top mounted HD webcam. The webcam is very HD, and DTS audio app for the high quality and loud sound. And do epic ultra performance unleashed. Intel's 11th generation of Tiger Lake S35, enabling the powerful performance on thin and light laptops. The main thing is that it's having 35 watt more power to you for higher performance. 4.8 gigahertz of high, which hit a new high with the turbo boost, and 10 nm of process, which is multitask with the 4 cores and 8 threads. And it's having the Intel Iris Xe graphics also, which is 2 times the performance of the 10th generation of Iris plus graphics, and redefining thin and light laptop graphics, and trade blows with the NVIDIA MX350 or MX450, and it plays hundreds of PC games. And it is having a thickness of 6 millimeters diameter heat pipe and large diameter fan. Easy switch between the quiet and balanced mode using the FN plus K keys. Quiet mode and balance mode. 16 GB of RAM, which is up to 16 GB of high speed, which is 3200 mHz. Dual channel memories, 512 GB of NVMe SSD storage, and Wi-Fi 6, which is wider, faster internet, and 2.7 times faster than the Wi-Fi 5 theoretically. And it is having Thunderbolt 4 and Type-C USB port, and which is a future-proof universal connectivity. Thunderbolt 4 and Type-C USB future-proof universal connectivity. Thunderbolt 4 opens up a world of high-speed connectivity and data transfers technologies with up to 40 bps bandwidth, and up to two 4K or one 8K external monitors. It also supports for eGPU and charging. Type-C brings universal connectivity across charging and data transmission. So on the right you get the Thunderbolt 4 USB 3.2 Gen 1 type port, USB Type-C port, HDMI port, and on the left you get the USB 2.0 port and 3.5 millimeters audio jack. And now let's go for the battery life and the chargers.
Now when we head to the 12-hour plus all-day battery with a 65 watts USB charge C charger and a 50% charge in 45 minutes, and a 12 hours of local playback. And now it's also having an OS Plus software, Windows 10 Home, Microsoft Office with and Student Edition 2019, which is also pre-installed with genuine Windows and Office 19 with a Mi Smart Share. Also, Mi Notebook Ultra will be eligible for free upgrade to Windows 11 when available. And that's all. And one more thing, Mi Notebook Ultra brings the 39.62 centimeter, which I mentioned earlier, and also this is having a display with a high resolution of a 3.2K, which is 3200 into 2000 or 2000, or which is 3 times full HD, and a pixel density of 242 pixels per inch, which is already mentioned earlier.
If you want more tech videos like this, you have to subscribe. After subscribing, you have to turn on the notification bell to all, so you will get notified if you send a new video, and you have to share with your friends and relatives, family members who I know that will be great support for us to make more videos. And that's all. My name is Johns.
My name is Jonas.
We are Tech World, signing off.
Bye bye.